Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about Zilliqa friends. What's the current price of Zilliqa? What's the price change goes at this time in Zilliqa? In this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And remember that if you are new in my channel, so make sure to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more news and updates friends. First of all, we talk about the currently this time price of Zilliqa coin in a market. 0.20534 USD dollar is the currently price of Zilliqa friends. And friends, if we talk about the price change occurring in Zilliqa coin, so only and only last 1 day price change is negative friends, except of last 1 hour, last 1 week change is positive friends. Last 1 day change is negative friends. So what's the reason behind that? In this video I will talk to you friends. So friends, as you can see here, that is the last 1 day price prediction chart friends. If we look the changes occur, so the changes is about negative 0.6%. Why they fast down and what's the reason behind that friends? The reason is that as you know, today is the 4th May 2021 friends, and it is clear that now that it is the start of new month friends. That is why they fast down friends. Not only Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, SafeMoon, Winklink, XRP, Cardano, all cryptocurrencies fast down for the last 1 day friends, due to the starting of a new month friends. But now at this time here is a good news for all of you that the following period of the Zilliqa coin are finished. As you can see here on the chart friends, now they again take a jump friends, and I hope this jump is continue for a long time friends, and they will give you a good amount of profit in the future friends. And now friends, let's see the last 1 hour price prediction chart friends. What's the change goes in the last 1 hour friends? As you can see here, as I told you that in last 1 hour change as goes better in this time friends, the price change is positive 1.35%, and the highest prices goes upward friends, 0.205161 USD dollar friends. So now they again take a jump continuously over and over. Jumps occur in a Zilliqa friends. What's your opinion about this jump? Can this jump is continue for a long term or not? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more news and updates.